Welcome back to a new video series from Do It Alone and Yourself. Nice that you have switched on again. In the next 15 minutes, I would like to show you how to create a portable tomato house made of wood and glasses. First, the wooden beams must be grooved so that the glass panes can be placed flush on them. Then, it is recommended to paint with a weather-resistant wood protection to avoid long-term damages. I choose Bondex because I have had very good experiences with it. This forms a filling coating on the wood. As soon as these have dried, you can continue with the insertion of the glass panes. To ensure more stability, I created a wooden spacer between the two panes and connected them to the longer parts. Of course, this must have the exact same height as that of the panes. To display a slope, one bar must be longer than the other. Then you create a rafter and connect them to the two starting points of the two beams. As soon as all these support beams have been created, you can attach them with wood glue. Until the dry season, I fixed this with several screw clamps. In the meantime, it makes sense to glue the glass panes to the wood. To tell the truth, I'm not at all sure whether I used the best variant, but after several months everything is still bomb-proof. I just bought a high-quality silicone and used it as a glue. In order to make the house portable, several transport rollers have to be attached. Pay attention to the approved weight. Then simply place them on the floor of the house. In order to cover the house, I choose the provide wood and cut it to the same length. You should debur the cut surface to avoid injuries. Then paint and apply them again with the same wood protection. Next, I will show you how I attach the glass panes to the back wall, or rather glued and secured them. First, you make 2 support beams and attach them in the middle and at the top at the beginning. Then you take the silicone again and stick on the panes as shown in the picture. In addition, I installed several chair brackets to double protect the glass panes from falling. If at some point the glue no longer sticks, these serve as security. I glued the glass panes for the roof with a bitumen roof compaction due to the following reasons. First, it serves as a glue and prevents the paint from slipping. Secondly, this also ensures that no moisture can flow in between the rear wall and the roof and thus protect the wood from the inside. So that the front pane cannot slide forward, I made a professional stopper and mounted it on the rafters. Now you can already put the finished vegetable pots in, but as you can see, the leaves would look kicked down. As a result, I attached several tomato sticks so that the plant can also grow up nicely.